I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating billing information can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile option in the menu. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings section, find and click on billing information or payment method. This is where you can view and edit your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Enter your new billing details such as your address or payment method. Make sure to double check for any typos, as this can lead to issues with payment. Quick gotcha: if you were using a mobile device, the save button might be at the bottom of the screen, so scroll down to find it. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving your new information, look for a confirmation message indicating that your billing details have been updated successfully. It is a good idea to log out and log back in to verify the changes. I hope this guide makes updating your billing information a breeze. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.